Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and blur your video here on Capcut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now let's go ahead and say that I want to go ahead and block this portion of the video. And the way to go ahead and do that is by heading over to the effects tab right here. And inside, we want to go ahead and search for our effects. In our case, we are looking for the blur effect. Just go ahead and type blur right here, and then you will be able to see all of the blur effects that they have. You can just go ahead and choose any of the options that they have. I'm gonna go ahead and select the first one. You want to go ahead and drag this inside our clip right here if you want a specific clip to be blurred. But you can also go ahead and click on the plus icon to add it into our track. And in that way, we will get more even control into our blur effect right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and blur this specific clip, and in that way you will be able to blur your videos here on Capcut. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.